with news that the Mercedes A-Class is not set to have a direct replacement as part of the manufacturer's upscale movement. The latest round of revisions for the 2023 model year serves as a final salute to the much-loved premium hatchback. Trim levels for the Sport and AMG Line models include the Executive Pack as standard, while Premium and Premium Plus upgrades are available for AMG Line variants. Engine options include the A180 and A200 petrols, which use the same 1.3-liter four-cylinder with 134 or 161 bhp. For the 2023 update, there are subtle modifications to the exterior, such as adaptive LED headlights that are standard across all models in the range, while LED taillights are also a standard feature. The nose has also been refined to produce a smoother appearance, though the change is not drastic. On the inside, the use of recycled materials for the center console and seats hasn't compromised the luxurious feel that Mercedes' smallest model boasts. The majority of materials used are of exceptional quality, although there are some harder plastics lower down in the cabin. Additionally, the door bins do not have any lining, which can lead to items rattling around. However, the technology on offer in the A-Class is nothing to scoff at. Twin 10.25-inch displays are now standard on all models, and these high-resolution screens look fantastic. Beneath the surface, the primary upgrade is the addition of 48-volt mild hybrid technology to the petrol models. The mild hybrid technology works seamlessly, ensuring smooth starting from a standstill, and the system helps the A200 accelerate consistently across the rev range. The technology should also enable drivers to achieve the 47.9 mpg fuel economy that Mercedes quotes for this model.